has happened of something. It's so bad, but it's so great. I'm a blogger.
What's up, mother, fathers, brothers, and sisters? We are back with a brand new track. We're back on the road again. Going to Kentucky, baby. On the way to Kentucky, baby. Ganda lang sunset talaga sa Florida. Anong weather ngayon sa Kentucky? Hey Siri, what's the weather in Louisville, Kentucky?
It's currently cloudy and 57 degrees in Louisville, Kentucky. Expect rain starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 56 to 49 degrees tonight.
See you, Florida! Nalito ko. Georgia na kami! Ang labo, hindi na video. Atlanta na, baby! Atlanta, baby! Ano yan?
Tennessee na, baby. Isang state na lang. Kentucky na.
Stretch muna tayo. Welcome to Tennessee! Nagdadrive naman ako. Ako naman magdadrive. Lamig ah. Wala ng pollen dito. Parang Japan dito ah. Stop na namin. Ang lamig na dito.
Kentucky, baby. We just arrived in Louisville, Kentucky. We are back, baby. Kentucky, baby. I'm tired. We drove for 15 hours and we got 1 hour more to go. So we went home in Florida last year during holidays.
What?
And let me tell you, a lot has happened of something. It's so bad, but it's so great. So this what happened.
This video might be a long one. So hold your cup, buttercup. Let's go. A lot has happened. Since Mari and I are always away, each year we always look forward to celebrating the holidays with our family. Unfortunately, we both got sick and wasn't able to celebrate our traditional Noche Buena. So, it was moved to Christmas Day.
And here are some clips.
What's up, my friends? A Merry Christmas! We're on our way to meet the family for the Christmas party. I have my Santa Claus driver. May sakit pa yan.
Bakaganda pala ng boses tong host, may love ah.
Right. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer, now Vixen. On Comet and on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. To the right, top of the porch. To the left, top of the wall. Now Dash.
Machine! You told me to!
That's good, that's good.
This the jackpot, di ba?
No!
Oh, meron pa! Whoa! Another one? Adrian, you're the last, you're the champion!
One more! He does it all! Come on, bro!
Come on, bro!
Bye!
Let's go!
Let's go, Box!
Let's go,
Come on,
Bucks!
bro, the money!
Yes!
Yes!
Let's go! Game over, right?
Game over! Come on, Box!
Yeah!
Yeah!
I told you to cross the goal! Bingo panalo!
Merry Christmas, my friends. Peace. I hope you had a great time with your family. Peace ulit.
What's up, my friends? I don't have voice anymore because we played bingo. Guess who won the blackout, bros? You learn Spanish, not Filipino?
Then we supposed to have a New Year's Eve party, but the whole family got sick, so it is postponed until next year. Here are some clips.
First, chuchuri shibors. Dito na ang ubas, pampaswerte, pangtanggal ng malas, mga tropa tips.
Then, after we all feel better, we started to do some stuff that's supposed to be vlog. So, here are some clips.
Pag-shopping na, Orlando. There you have it.
I'll be posting a lot of makeover videos and vlog. So, like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. Peace.